What's the first thing you do with money when you get it?
Save and spend.
Well, I treat myself because I work very hard.
Hey, I'm Kalila, and we're on the streets of Halfway Tree to find out how much Jamaicans really know about money. So let's go talk to some people and find out. Excuse me, miss.
Yes, miss.
Hi, do you have a bank account?
Yes, I do. Yes, I do.
Yes, I do.
All right, so tell me, do you also use online banking?
No, I don't.
No, not at the moment.
Why not?
Because I never really trusted before.
You never trust it, why not?
Because only for scam about.
Do you have an insurance plan?
No, I don't have an insurance plan.
Do you know what insurance is?
Not quite.
And why don't you have an insurance plan?
Because sometimes there's a little hustle and bustle for you to get the money to. It's like I'm going to leave a fight there.
What do you plan for retirement?
I'm gonna let it sort itself out, so when I get there.
And for retirement, I plan to do my farming.
So I started a pension book. So I fill up one book already. I buy the stamp at the post office.
So you plan to work when you get older and you're going to do farming work?
For myself.
Wow, okay, things really bad out here. Matter of fact, let me call Ding Dong right now.
Kalila, how go on?
Hey Ding, the thing's serious out here now.
How go on?
You know how it's been a while since you've been trying to get people to understand more about money, yeah?
Then look how long me are telling you, man.
Well, we need to do something like no, this minute, because there's a lot that people don't know and they just don't understand.
Yeah. But listen, me telling you, how not go by too technical. When I forgot to my people them and explain to them word for word in a street terms so them can understand. But don't worry. You hear me? Go down a GK, right?
All right, I'll meet you up there later.